In this video, I am going to simplify these radical expressions with variables. Let's start off with the first one, square root of 196x squared. We'd like to find the square root of this. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to express the thing under the square root as a perfect square so that square and square root cancel out. Now please keep in mind 14 square is 196. So I have 14 square. I'm going to rewrite 196 as 14 square, then x square, which I could rewrite as 14x whole square. Now this square and square root are going to cancel. That's going to give you 14x. So square root of 196x square is 14x. Similarly, I'm going to do the cube root of this one, negative 27x cube. Now keep in mind, negative 27 is negative 3 whole cube, and then I have x cube. Then I can rewrite it as negative 3x whole cube. By the way, here I'm using this rule. If I have a cube and b cube, a cube times b cube, this is the same as ab whole cube. And here I have used the square version of it. If you have a square times b square, which is the same as ab whole square. So in general, if you have a to the power n times b to the power n, it's a times b raised to the power n, the whole thing raised to the power n. So now this is what I have right here. So cube root of negative 3x whole cube. Now cube and cube root are going to cancel each other. That's going to leave you with negative 3x. Now let's do the next one. Cube root of x cube y to the power 9. So what I am going to do, I am going to express the terms under the radical and combine it in a way so that it becomes a perfect cube, x cube. Now look, 9 y to the power 9 is y cube because y to the power third, the whole thing raised to the power 3 is going to be 3 times 3, which is 9. So I can have the same thing. So I have exactly the same thing here. So I'm going to rewrite this thing as cube root of x y cube whole cube. Let me do it on the side. X cube y cube whole cube is the same as x y cube whole cube. Now this cube and cube root are going to cancel. That's going to give you x y cube. Now let's do the next one, this one. Fourth root of x to the power 4 divided by 81. By the way, that's the same as fourth root of x to the power 4 over 3 to the power 4. Remember, 3 to the power 4 is 81. Now I'm going to simplify this using another formula that you are probably familiar with, x over 3 raised to the power 4. Remember, a to the power m over b to the power m is the same as a over b, the whole thing raised to the power m. That's the rule that I have used in going from here to here. Now at this point, fourth power and fourth root are going to cancel out. That's going to give you x over 3. Now let's do the last one here. Negative cube root of negative 27 x to the power 6. Again, I'm going to use the similar strategy. Cube root, then negative 27 is negative 3 whole cube, and then x to the power 6 is x square whole cube because 3 times 2 is 6. Now negative cube root of negative 3 x square whole cube. At this point we notice that cube root a cube and cube root are going to cancel. That's going to give me negative times negative 3x squared. Now negative and negative is going to be giving me positive when multiplied, so I'm going to get just 3x squared. I hope that this discussion was helpful. Thank you very much.